There are less than 2 weeks remaining for the Galaxy S23 Ultra to be announced on Feb 1. And previously, Samsung has already found marketing its high megapixel and low light capabilities. In short, with its 200 megapixel HP2 sensor, the company wants consumers to believe that more megapixels will always bring an advantage. One camera sample captured from the very same sensor was shared by a tipster, and it manages to hold a ton of detail, even at 12x zoom. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is apparently in the hands of Ice Universe, who is likely taking the flagship through its paces and will provide his feedback after the official announcement. According to him, the camera sample uploaded to Twitter was captured by a 200 megapixel sensor and zoomed to 12x. Even with Twitter's image compression algorithm in play, the sample is able to hold a ton of detail, which may indicate that Samsung made significant improvements to the ISOCELL HP2 sensor. Not just this, but Ice Universe states that Samsung's new 200 megapixel HP2 sensor captures images that look completely different from the images captured by the HP1, HP3, and HM1, HM3. Unfortunately, the tipster does not share any comparison samples with us, so without much to go on, we cannot take his word right off the bat. He does mention in the Twitter thread that there is little evidence that the zoomed camera sample is significantly sharpened, meaning that the image appears natural. However, we do not know if the Galaxy S23 Ultra in Ice Universe's hand used to capture the sample image was a pre-production one or a commercial unit. With commercial units, Samsung can roll out a software update that can change the way the main rear camera processes the final image. In short, there are a lot of variables in play that we have not considered, and the only way to make an impartial opinion is to see this sample or any other compared with other devices, including the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you have considered upgrading to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we highly recommend opting for Samsung's Reserve program. All you have to do is visit Samsung's website, reserve a Galaxy smartphone, and get $50 in free credit. If you reserve a Galaxy smartphone and a Galaxy Book, you get $100 in free credit. Now that sounds like a sweet deal, right? What do you think about today's leak? Comment down below. See you tomorrow. Peace out.